So first of all, we're gonna unbox the iPhone 12 Pro. It's a 512 GB variant. Let's open it. I just don't want to tear the whole thing up, so slow and steady. Okay, ain't going down that easy. Okay, Bismillah. Ta-da! That's latest color for the model. That's again the iPhone 12. That satisfies a lot. Boom. So this is how it looks. You got the usual charger port, the speakers, the SIM port, the volume buttons. This looks dope, bro. So we'll just turn it on. Ha! That's the iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, let's this be aside for a minute. We'll unbox another thing. As told before, iPhone doesn't comes with a charging brick. All it has is a charger cable and the usual stuff, the stickers and all that. The SIM ejector pin. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The box is half the size of usual. See that? That's half the size. Yeah. I must say, this is not that bad. And definitely not my kind of phone. I prefer the round curves at the end. This is like a flat surface. But yeah, nevertheless, let this be aside for a minute. I have more things to. The next thing is the DJI Osmo Action, which is the commentator of GoPro. Basically, all of you guys know action cameras. So let's open this baby. By the way, this is a pocket knife. You can call it whatever you want, I don't know. Alright. The DJI. There you go. Now I'll have to tear off the seal. Okay, so the box comes with the camera. Oh, this is kind of heavy. That's good. The DJI Osmo. You have a mount over here. You have the big screen. You have the mount at the bottom. Yeah. So what else do we have here? Okay. Okay. All right. So that's the mount stickers. I hope this is the battery. Yeah, that's the battery here. You got the cable, the pin, more of mount. Okay, this isn't coming out as expected. Yeah, that's again the sticker mount. You got warranty card, the manuals. So this is the whole package, the things that you get inside this box. You have mount, you have the stickers, you have the battery. The battery, the pin, a charger cable, and the camera itself. So the camera is in the case right now. We're gonna remove the case. Okay. Voila. This is the DJI Osmo Action. You have the big screen. So we'll have to put the battery in right now. Bismillah. Yeah, we have put in the battery. Voila. That's turned on. So we have to set up. It's English. Oh, I'll have to set up the date. There is a DJI Osmo Mimo app. Sorry about that. We'll set it later. It's 10, and I believe the date is 24. Yeah? Yeah, it's 24. Let's just do it sometime else. Please activate before you use. Skip the activation remaining times. Okay. So this is how it looks. Now we can turn off the display just like that. You can turn on the switch mode, the slow-mo, all those thing. And I don't have an SD card right now, which I already have, which I purchased. I haven't inserted the card yet. We have a display on the front. We have removable lens on this, which is basically the features that we have in GoPro 9. But this is much lesser than a GoPro 9 or an 8. So that's the reason that I purchased a DJI. And let's see how this goes. And I'm planning to buy a GoPro 8 today. So maybe I'll just put in a comparison video later. We'll see. Okay, so for now we'll just keep this aside just like the iPhone, and we'll next thing is nothing much. This is just a mic which goes directly into the port of an iPhone. This is from Boya. And I just want to tell you guys that these products that I unbox, it's not a paid promotion or sponsored video. It's just I want to share that those gadgets that I purchased, and how does it looks and feel. So I might not be an unboxing geek, so I'm just doing it the way I feel like. I know that I have scope of improvement. God, this is kind of hard. Okay. So there you go. You have a small, cute little pouch. Ta-da! That's it. It's almost like a dead cat. Yeah. So this is the pin that goes directly into the iPhone. I'll just show you. Just give me a minute. Oh. So this is a normal iPhone port, and you just insert it. Yeah. So that's how it looks. This is just for logging purpose, At situations I had issues with the voice, if I have a crosswind by any chance, then there's a strong disturbance in the voice that I capture. So yeah, this is a dead cat, and you have a dead cat pouch too. What else do you have? It's carbon, which we don't need. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah? Alright, so the next. The GoPro 8 with the company kit, which includes the pouch, the shorty, battery, the mount, memory card, USB cable, etc. So we're just gonna open this. Bismillah. That's it. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the GoPro box. And I'm wondering how to open the box. Pause it. That was cool. Okay, so let me just so that's the GoPro kit. As you can see, this is the pouch. You got all those manuals, guarantee card, GoPro Plus, blah. Okay, so I don't know what this is, but just let me know if any of you guys know. We got the cable, we got 2 batteries, we got a mount, another mount, the screw, the GoPro itself. Oh, that's cool. Okay. So you got the mounts at the bottom. Or you can just screw it in. This is plastic. I'll be giving a review, a comparison review of both the DJI and Osmo later. But for now, I'll have to study both of them because I'm new to this. I've never used an action camera before. So yeah, I think this is the shorty, the small kind of tripod that we hold in our hand. Let me just take the whole thing out. Okay, there you go. Yeah, that's the shorty. There you go. Yeah, so that's it. That's pretty much it. You don't have anything else. You got the pouch.